Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back, welcome if you are new. Today guys, I have to clean this cooktop. I've tried to clean it just with the regular cleaning solution for cooktops and it just doesn't seem to be getting the trick done. So I went online on YouTube and I saw some other people who suggested using baking soda and baking soda and apple cider vinegar to clean your cooktop. So that's what I'm going to try today. I should have shown it to you before. I covered it generously with the baking soda. I just forgot to do so, but if you go back and look at some of my previous videos where I'm cooking, you may have seen the cooktop has started to get that worn look. When you're cooking a lot, that happens. You know, you have other people cooking in your house, that happens. So I'm going to add the vinegar now and let that sit for a little while. And then I'm going to come back and wipe it down. And I want you guys to come with me because I actually want to see if what they say on YouTube, if it works. Okay, so hang in there with me. Okay, guys, I'm pouring this on. Let's see what. Oh, it's bubbling up like they said. Look at that. That is bubbling up. They're saying that this is what's going to get down and get that deep down cleaning. This one in the front, this one is the worst. This is the one I use the most. Wow. Let me take you off camera and see if you can see this. You can see it bubbling just a little bit. So I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to wipe it down, and I'm going to let you know if it looks better than what it did before. Hang in there with me. Okay guys, it's been about 30 minutes since I've had the baking soda and vinegar on. I'm going to wipe it down now. I'm going to let you guys take a look at it. If it doesn't come as newer or as clean as I would like, I would probably have to do a deep cleaning method. So keep watching. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after I have cleaned it with the baking soda and vinegar. Now, one thing that I could have done that I also saw online on YouTube was to use a lemon. So, you know, it still doesn't look great. I'll be honest, it still doesn't look great. But if you had seen it prior to, it looked a lot worse. So that did help. That helped, you know, it helped a lot. It's hard, like I said, to see the before and after. I should have shown you a before, but it does look better now. In any event, I tried it. So if you have a cooktop, don't wait as long as I did to do a deep cleaning to it. And this really wasn't a deep cleaning. There's some people are saying, you know, to get this little ring off right here, they're saying that you need to use a razor. So I may have to do this, but it's just that this stove is it has some years on it. So, given the amount of time it has on it, I guess this, in the scheme of things, it doesn't look bad, but, it looks a lot better than it did. So I just wanted to show you what baking soda and vinegar can do to kind of refresh your cooktop. Okay, you guys have an amazing day. Until the next time, bye-bye.